welcome back to my channel, and as always, remember to subscribe and share this video. Okay, so today we are going to look at an item shipping module in OpenCart. So what this module helps you is to set like a certain rate of shipping that will apply on each product that requires shipping in your store. So for you to configure it, you need to first get logged into your backend, that's the admin panel, and then under the extensions tab, select the extension type as shipping, and then you land on this shipping method list. In case it is grayed out, you need to first click to install, and then once you've installed, you'll be able to click on the blue button to edit it. So once you are on the edit page, there are a couple of settings that you need to configure. So the first one, which is more important, is the cost. So this is the cost of shipping each item. So normally this is a flat, you can think about it like a flat rate for each product. Okay, so regardless of which size. And then there's the tax class. So which tax class should this shipping method apply to? And then there's the geozone. Geozone is it works with the customer shipping address. So if you set the UK shipping zone, for example, it means that this module will only show up for customers who are shipping within this particular geozone. And then there's the other part of status, where is it enabled or disabled. Then the sort order is basically the order of appearance on the checkout page. So what these configurations that I have currently means is that it will cost $10 to ship a product within this geozone, and that product must be of this tax class. Okay, so shipping cost $10. The tax class, the product must be in this tax class, otherwise it won't show up. And then for the geozone, I'll just now set it to all zones so that it's easier to manage. So we save the settings and then we go back to checkout page. So I'll just quickly refresh, and then I need to add a couple of products in the cart. So I'll add 3 products. 1, 2. Which one should we also add? Let's say this one. Okay, this one needs to select an option, so add to cart. So now we have 3 products in the cart. Let's see how much it costs to ship. So once you're on the checkout page, you need to input the shipping address. And then after that, so in my case, I already have one. If you don't, you need to click I want to use a new address. And then for the shipping method, that's where you now have to choose. Okay. Right now you can see per item shipping rate is $20, and ideally it should have been $30. We will see shortly why. So per item shipping rate, click continue, and you will see the rate is $20 and it has been added to the gross total. So the reason why it's not 30, because ideally it should be 10 times 3, is because one of these products, which is the MacBook, this one, actually does not require shipping. So under specifications, you can see it does not require shipping. So all shipping modules actually across OpenCart will only show up if those products, at least one of those products, requires shipping. If they don't, then you won't be able to see. So just in case you are wondering. So to test this, I'll just set this to require shipping and save, then refresh here. So once I've refreshed, I need to reselect the shipping method, and you can see it's now $30. Okay, guys, so this is how the per item shipping module works. Again, if you don't see the shipping method on the checkout page after you've done your configurations, you need to check 3 things. Number 1, if the products actually require shipping. Number 2, you need to check the product tax class right here under price tax class. Then number 3, you need to check on the product. It should be product geozone. No, sorry, the geozone, because the geozone affects the address. So if the address is not within the geozone that has been configured here, this shipping method won't show up. So guys, that's pretty much about it. If you have any questions, please let me know. See you.